After the success of my guided practice routine series, I'm back with my latest offering, guided guitar scale practice routines. Designed with a focus on intervals, this book is guaranteed to take your scale theory to the next level. We're not just going to be running patterns, but develop a fundamental understanding of scale construction and application on a subconscious level. Containing 11 chapters with 10 fully guided routines, you'll practice with me in real time over 5 hours of audio. We'll learn major scales, minor scales, mixolydian, Dorian, harmonic minor, melodic minor, exotic modes, pentatonic scales, chromatic scales, and so much more. Take your study to the next level today with guided guitar scale practice routines, available on Amazon and Fundamental Changes now. And here it is, guys, guided guitar scale practice routines. There's a whole lot that I couldn't really fit in that little introduction there, and I thought it would be nice to do a little bit of talking, show you the book, and of course extend my offer of questions. If you have any questions, do let me know in that comment section below, and I'll happily get back to you. Or just let me know that you picked up a copy of the book, because it is very much appreciated. So yeah, it's a meaty book at 108 pages, 10 routines with an introductory chapter on scale fingering systems, because I don't want people to think that you necessarily have to be kind of dogmatic towards one particular scale fingering system. You could play 3-note per string, you could play caged. There are alternative fingering systems that I kind of mentioned in there. It really doesn't matter which system you use. This is about the application and the understanding of intervals to our fretboard in order to learn and practice and really understand and be able to hear scales. So yeah, 108 pages, lots of routines in there. We cover some really, really interesting sounds. But the main thing I just wanted to draw to people's attention is I'm always taking on board your feedback. So when I released my original guided practice routines books, the only audio provided with those was the audio of me playing the routines. And that is included here. There are full routines where I play the routines, all of the repeats, and I'm talking you through them as we're doing them. They're great practice tools, so you can use them every day. Sit down to do your practice, press play along with me, and you will get your exercise in if you like. But what I've done this time is I recorded audio examples for every single exercise in the routines individually. So you don't need to find the right routine and skip to the part that you want to work on. We have recorded every single audio example for you. So there's almost 6 hours of audio that comes with this. So a hell of a lot of stuff for you to consume. And you may notice that's my sir on the cover. So very, very happy of how this book turned out. And I hope you have a blast with it. I always say the same thing. I hope you have as much fun with it as I had making it. This is another book that I just had so much fun working on and really designing a kind of a structured way to help you get through scales, and hope that at the end of the book you would just have a different perspective on what it means to learn, practice and understand scales. So teasers, there are a couple more of these coming. We're going to have an arpeggios book, we're going to have a chords book, and we are going to have a pentatonic focused book. They will be in the coming months. I need to get to work, so go and grab yourself a copy of Guided Guitar Scale Practice Routines. Thank you so much for all of your support, and I will see you for another video soon. Laters.